Hey folks, how you doing? This is Bent-Twyford with Investors Edge University. We are going to be doing a workshop April 11th. All right, we're going to be doing it virtually for the Atlanta RIA. And I want you to be on this darn training. It's going to be all day long, 9 to 5. We're going to have 4 sessions, plus we're going to have a bonus session, questions and answers. It's all about how is this new environment going to change real estate investing. We're going to show you different ways of finding deals. We're going to talk about how to analyze these deals in this new environment. We're also going to talk to you about those little 2 words of real estate you don't like. Short sales. We're going to talk about that. Why? Because I'm telling you guys and gals, they're going to creep their head back in. Short sales are coming back. Markets are changing. So this is for everybody in Tampa. This is for everybody in Atlanta, Savannah, Chattanooga. You don't want to miss out on this. We're also going to talk about how to build your portfolio through getting rentals and creating notes. We're also going to have a session on hard money and how to get the hard money and how to acquire private money financing. So guys and gals, this is something you don't want to miss. So sign up right now. It's $20 for members and $50 for non-members. Do not miss this all-day training with myself and my wife, Dwan. All right, guys, we're going to see you there April 11th. Be there. All right.